Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. I hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on NEAR. All right, wanted to do a quick update and know that there's quite a significant NEAR community around the channel, which is pretty interesting because I haven't covered NEAR that much. So I think that shows that there's just in general a strong community around NEAR. But no, I wanted to give you my thoughts on it. I mean, I covered NEAR quite a bit last week when it started rallying. I also bought some NEAR, just so you know, so I might be a little bit biased. But no, I bought some NEAR right here at like 2.75, so that's doing great. And I know most of you are also holding NEAR. So in general, this is going to be a bullish video because I do think NEAR can go much higher than this. So we'll talk about that, but we're also going to be realistic, all right? That's always what I try to do. We'll just look at the numbers, we'll look at the technicals, and then we'll make a decision based on that. Now, NEAR itself, to start off with some realism, what NEAR is doing. NEAR itself is doing fine. I mean, the total value locked has grown about 40% in the last week or so, a little bit longer, week and a half. So fundamentally, NEAR protocol, the network, is doing great. And then technically we're doing great as well. I mean, like I said, when we broke above this level here at 2.8, I bought because that was already on the daily time frame a significant level to break. And since then we've also broken 3.5 right here, and now the next level, and that's the strongest level we've hit in a very long time, is this level right here between 4.7 and $5. That's the main level to break to get up to my ultimate price target, which is more along $6, $6, 6.5, that area. That's my main price target for now. That's where I will start selling some of my spot NEAR. But now the question is will we get there? And I think the answer is yes. All right, just in short, I think the answer is yes. I think the markets will remain relatively strong. And I think NEAR will be a great performer for multiple reasons. I mean, we've seen its strength right now, great community, the network is doing great. Layer 1 networks are actually doing pretty good, even though they've underperformed quite often. And the technical structure is just very strong. So I expect NEAR to eventually break above $5 and to get up towards $6. But for now, and there the realism kicks in again, for now we have to say that the open interest has been great until yesterday morning. And since then it has dropped down quite a bit. So I do expect NEAR to look, I still think it's going to be bullish on the short term, but with the momentum that we've lost, I do think it's a bit likely that NEAR will find resistance here between 5 and 4.8 and get a pullback from there. Now, our main support level is right here between 3.75 and 3.5. So that's the main level I think we can pull back to. Doesn't necessarily need to happen because that's quite a big pullback. I mean, that's a drop of about 26%. But something like that is what I expect, right? So I expect us to go up there. Then we'll find resistance, and then from that resistance, if, for example, we break down below $4 is the main support. So we can also just hold that, and then from there eventually break $5. But it still remains a question for me whether this is possible, so that we'll get up to $5 and then hold $4 as support, or whether $4 breaks. Because if if the $4 support level breaks, then we'll drop down a bit lower, consolidate, and then it will all take a little bit longer. But for me, it's not a question whether NEAR will get to $6. I do expect that. Now we'll just have to see how NEAR reacts to that level between 4.7 and $5 to know how quick it can happen and how much momentum we can expect. So I will keep you updated on that. If you're interested in that, of course, that's up to you. But those are my thoughts. So if you have any questions, let me know. If you'd like to, if you'd like my trades, for example, my buy on NEAR, which a lot of people are making a lot of money on right now, consider joining the Signal or the Premium group. I posted it in both, I believe. So check that out. But for now, that's the video. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye.